I don't know if an apology is enough. I don't know yet. I definitely haven't received that yet.
A Mira Mesa mother and her wife are frustrated tonight after hearing back from school officials. This after a story we told you about last night at 11 when their daughter said a teacher at Wangenheim Middle School made anti-gay statements during a sex ed class.
10 News reporter Dan Haggerty broke the story last night and called the district for their perspective. Dan?
Yeah, Kim, I got a hold of a school official first thing this morning. As soon as I got into the newsroom, they tell me they know about this note, they know about the situation, and they saw our story.
They have an open investigation and that it's on their radar.
That's what this mom says she's hearing from the district now, after her 11-year-old sixth grader came home furious about the teacher of her sex ed class at Wangenheim Middle School.
They said that there's a human resource person that was taking over the case.
The girl wrote this letter about what happened, saying her teacher said, occasionally girls and boys will like the same gender. When I see a gay or lesbian couple hold hands in public, I think it's gross and disgusting. That's my opinion.
I don't know if an apology is enough. I don't know yet. I definitely haven't received that yet.
Brina and her wife Marley pulled their girl from the class, but say the teacher is still teaching, while their daughter spends the period studying in the principal's office.
The teacher has been teaching for 30 years. He knows that he should be teaching curriculum and not personal opinion.
Brina and her wife have 8 children, including their 6th grader. Their adult kids even have a few kids of their own. A family they moved from the Midwest about a month ago and say they've never dealt with anything like this before.
They have a zero tolerance for bullying and discrimination, but you would think that would apply to not only students but to teachers.
And she tells me that this week is the last week that her daughter is scheduled to take that teacher's class, but she was given no timeline or specifics for the district's investigation. I'm Dan Haggerty, 10 News.